My name is Chris Exton. I'm the course director for the Games Development course, and we have students from Closter Ciaran here today. These students are going to be part of the new pilot program for the Leaving Cert Computer Science. And I'd just like to say it's great to have them here, and we as our department, me personally, hope to provide whatever support we can over the next 2 years. I think it's a great initiative. It's well overdue, and we see great things in the future coming from this course.
Okay, so we're here outside the Computer Science building at UL, where we've just had 2 workshops on a multitude of things about the Leaving Cert course. Do you want to go into detail about that?
We had a game development and 2 workshops, and we got to work on coding and making a clock, so that was interesting.
And maybe, hopefully in the future, we might be coming here to do our own studies on computer science.
You could say that software is in our code.
Yeah!